Hello, students. A very good morning to you all. How you all are doing? All are well? Okay, children. Children, today we will start a new chapter in GK. I remembered, children, the previous chapter's answers I have not given you, isn't it? So, in this, after this class, the assignment which I will send you over there, I will give you the answers of the previous chapters. Okay? So you will complete those in your book and then you will submit it to me. Okay, children, by taking the pics. Okay. See, this is Unit 33 Hidden Pictures. Unit 33 Hidden Pictures. Okay, children. See, Ram and his dog are busy flying their new kite. Okay. Ram and his dog are busy flying their new kite. They have not noticed sailboat, pier, clothespin, star, anchor, snail, and a bunny's face hidden here. Help them to find this. Okay, children, you have to help them to find this. How you will find them? Children, see, there is a picture. Okay, children, this is a picture. Now, over here, some faces, some things are hidden. Okay, you have to identify them. How? See, you have to color it. Okay, you have to color it. Color it means, suppose a bunny face you can see at the top left hand side, top right hand side, you can see there's a face of bunny. Okay, and at the top in the sky only you can see that there is a snail. Okay, and after that there is a star hiding in between the leaves. Okay, so you have to color it, but different colors, not one color only. Like bunny's face, orange color, then snail, some other color, star, some other color. You, in this way you have to color this. Okay, so children, right now I don't have any tool that I will help you to do this, but you have to do this with your own. Okay, children, and you have to do this with your own, and you take the photo and send it to me. After then, I will rectify it. If there will be any correction needed, I will do it and I will send it back to you. Okay, children. Now, coming to the next, modern gadgets. Okay, children, modern gadgets. You know, every day in our homes and schools, we use little or big machines to help in our work, isn't it? Every day in our homes and schools, we use little or big machines to help in our work. These are called gadgets. Okay, children? Now read these sentences and identify the gadgets. Okay, I will read these sentences and you have to identify the gadgets. See, heats water quickly. Huh? And one more thing, there's the options given here. Okay. See, help box, washing machine, air conditioner, refrigerator, computer, television, cell phone, geyser, iron box. Okay, all have been given here. So you have to find out the answer from here and you have to write it. Okay, children? So, heats water quickly on a cold day in your bathroom. Okay, children, do you remember? Can you identify this? What it can be? Like it heats water quickly on a cold day. In the winter season, we feel cold, na? So we want hot water to bath, isn't it? So for that, we need hot water. Water. So it is not always possible that we use oven for doing that. Okay, so there is a machine, okay, which heats water quickly, so you have to name that machine. You can as a hint, there is a picture given, you can see the picture. What it can be, children? It is a geyser. Yes, it is a geyser. Now check the help box. Yes, geyser is here. Geyser, geyser. Okay, children. Now after that, this machine keeps fruits and vegetables fresh for many days. Okay, basically what happens, suppose we went to the market and we have bought some fruits or vegetables, isn't it? So after 1 day or 2 day it started getting decomposing. Okay, so for that, this is a machine which keeps fruit and vegetable fresh for many days. Okay, so what it can be? It is a refrigerator. It is a refrigerator. See the help box? Yes. Refrigerator. 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 Okay, children? Now, coming to the next. It helps my mother by washing all the clothes quickly. It helps my mother by washing all the clothes quickly. What is the answer? Yes, the answer is washing machine. The answer is washing machine. WASHING washing machine. MACHINE machine washing machine. Now, next. The whole family can watch cartoons, news, and movies together on this. Okay. The whole family can watch cartoons, news, and movies together on this. So, what it can be? It is a television. It is a television. 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 Okay, children? Now, this makes communication faster. I can even talk to a friend in another country. This makes communication faster. I can even talk to a friend in another country. So, what is the answer? Yes, the answer is very easy. We are using it for the online classes also. Presently, I am making my videos on this only. So, do you have any idea what it can be? You people love this thing. You people love watching cartoons and all in this. So, this is a cell phone. This is a cell phone. CELLFNONE. Cell phone. Okay, children? Now, even when it's scorching outside, hot outside, this gadget keeps the room as cool as a hill station. Okay, even when it is scorching hot outside, this gadget keeps the room as cool as a hill station. So, what it can be? It is AC. It is air conditioner. AIR, air, CONDI, TIONER, conditioner, air conditioner. Okay, children? Now, you love to sleep if there is a air conditioner, you love to sleep. Okay. I can gather any information from this gadget through the net. I can also play many games. I can gather any information from this gadget through the net. I can also play many games. What it can be? Computer. 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 The last one is I need not search for a dhobi every morning. I can smoothen my own uniform with this gadget. I need not search for a dhobi every morning. I can smoothen my own uniform with this gadget. What is the answer? Iron box. IRON. Iron BOX box. Iron box. Okay, children? So, understood this one? Okay. Let's we start from the beginning. Heats water quickly on a cold day in your bathroom. Geyser. Dish machine keeps fruits and vegetables for many days. Refrigerator. It helps my mother washing all the clothes quickly. Washing machine. The whole family can watch cartoons, news, and movies together on this television. This makes communication faster. I can even talk to a friend in another country. Cell phone. Even when it is scorching hot outside, this gadget keeps the room as cool as a hill station. What it can be? Air conditioner. I can gather any information from this gadget through the net. I can also play many games. So what is the answer? The answer is computer. And the last one, I need not search for a dhobi every morning. I can smoothen my own uniform with this gadget. The answer is iron box. Okay, children? Understood till here? Okay. How in the next one? Unit 36. A pair of binoculars is an instrument used to see distant objects. A microscope is an instrument used to magnify minute objects. A pair of binocular is an instrument used to see distant object. A Microsoft is an instrument used to magnify minute objects. Okay, children. Now mixed bag. Who is the called of beast? Children, who is the called of beast? Beast, king of beast. Lion, Lion, lion. Name the national tree of India. Name the national tree of India. Banyan tree. B-A-N, Banyan, Y-A-N, Banyan tree. Where can you check the date, day and month? Where you can check the date, day and month? Calendar. Calender, calendar. Where will you check the time? Where will you check the time? Clock. 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 Name the capital city of India. Name the capital city of India. New Delhi. New Delhi. Name the island country next to India. Name the island country next to India. Sri Lanka. Name the island country next to India. Sri Lanka. What is a group of lions called? What is a group of lions called? Pride. 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 Okay. Which is the largest land animal? Which is the largest land animal? Elephant. 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 Name the vehicle of Lord Vishnu. Name the vehicle of Lord Vishnu. Garuda. 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 Who is the elephant god according to Hindu mythology? Ganesha. Who is the elephant god according to Hindu mythology? Ganesha. 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 Okay. Who is the king of beasts? Lion. Name the national tree of India. Banyan tree. Where can you check the date, day and month? Calendar. Where will you check the time? Clock. Name the capital city of India. New Delhi. Name the island country next to India. Sri Lanka. What is a group of lions called? Pride. Which is the largest land animal? Elephant. Name the vehicle of Lord Vishnu. Garuda. Who is the elephant god according to Hindu mythology? Ganesha. 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 Okay, children, you have to learn this. Find the stranger. See over here, find the stranger. Over here, you have to circle the stranger one. So, number one, see two flowers. Okay, two flowers are there and only one spoon. So, children, which is the odd one? Spoon. Which is the odd one? Spoon. Okay. Now, coming to the next. Sorry, dish. And what is this? I'm not getting it. Water and cup. So the odd one will be the second one. Okay, the odd one will be the second one. Now fourth. Pencil, eraser, sharpener. Eraser, sharpener. Pencil, eraser, sharpener, and TV. Which is the odd one? TV is the odd one. Okay, because this all items need for study. Pencil, rubber, sharpener, TV is the odd one. Okay. After that, squirrel, crow. Then what is this? This is a bird and peacock. So three, see, all are the three birds. Crow, this is eagle, then there is a peacock. So which one you will circle? You will circle this squirrel. Okay, you will circle the squirrel. After that, see, car, helicopter, aeroplane, rocket. Car, helicopter, aeroplane, rocket. So which one is the odd one? Car, because this all fly in the sky. Okay, they all fly in the sky. So the odd one is a car. Okay, children. After that, see magic colors. See magic colors. Colors are all around us. Colors make things appealing and bright. We can make lovely colors by mixing two or three other colors. Here is a palette of colors. See how many colors you can make. Okay. Most leaves are green in a color. I can make green by mixing. Children, this is very simple. Here you have to bring that color after mixing it. Okay, means the color whatever they will ask for, you have to mix it. So this is basically a very good thing, so that you can also get the idea and you try this at your home. So it will be clear to you very much. Okay. The first one is most leaves are green in color. I can make green by mixing yellow and blue. By mixing yellow and blue. Done? Okay. Coming to the next. This fruit is juicy with and rich in vitamin C. I can make the color orange and by mixing and see, this is a pink and yellow color, pink and yellow. Okay, pink and yellow. I like to eat brinjals. I can get purple by adding purple. How will they get? Light blue and pink combined together, purple came. Okay. Meena wants to paint a pink frog for her doll. To get the right shade, she can mix. You can see there's a color of baby pink and white. Baby pink and white. Okay. This is a orange color came. Okay. Yummy chocolate cake. This rich brown color may be made by adding rich brown color can be made by adding shade. She can mix rich brown color. You can see how many pictures are there. Five. This is number one. Number two, pink and yellow. Number three, mm, blue and purple, pink. Oh, number three, I like to eat brinjals. I can get purple by adding blue and pink. Blue, light blue and pink. Then Meena wants to paint a frog for her doll. She get the right shade. She can mix pink and white. Pink and white. Okay. Yummy chocolate cake. This rich brown color can be made by adding red, yellow, and black. Red, yellow, and black. Okay, children. So, yummy chocolate cake. The rich brown color can be made by adding red, yellow, and black. Okay, children. So, till here we will do. Okay, next we will do afterwards. So, you have to practice this all very soon. I will give you the answers, and you please, if there will be any mistake by seeing that paper, you can do the correction. Okay, children. So, take care. Goodbye. Have a nice day.